Hello Xcart users! Today we will be teaching you how to get the best results when removing backgrounds from product images using our Malabi tool. For the best results, make sure you use a light-filled image, make sure the object is in contrast to the background, and use a clear and uncluttered background. Here's your Xcart dashboard. First, let's click Modules. Here you can see all of your installed modules. Now let's search for Malabi. If we find it, it means that it is already installed. If not, then it means that it is not installed yet and you need to go and install it from the marketplace. Now, let's hit the Settings button. Before you use Malabi, you need to create a subscription. Once you hit the green button, you will be redirected to a page. There, you will get your user ID and your access token. All you need to do is copy and paste them back into the respective fields on this page. Then click Submit. Once you have everything sorted, you can go to the Products page to start removing backgrounds from images. Let's create a new product. Now, let's add its images. Let's follow the rules and choose a light-filled image, make sure the object is in contrast to the background, and use a clear and uncluttered background. Click the Image menu and then click Remove Background. As you can see, the background removal worked perfectly and does not require any further touch-ups. For the sake of the example, let's choose a dark image. You can see that the removal wasn't perfect. Click the menu to fix the background with the touch-up tool. The red color represents the background of the image we're looking at. When the image is dark, it's harder to identify the exact object borders. Let's try to mark the object by pressing the green Object button. And now we'll mark the object with the cursor. We don't have to be exact, all we have to do is give hints as to what the object is, and the algorithm will do the rest. Let's hit the Preview button to see the result. As you can see, it's not really perfect, and that is why a dark photo is not optimal for this tool. We'll click Save Changes to save the changes that we've made. Let's choose a product image with a low contrast relative to the background. You can click Remove Background for several images simultaneously. As you can see, parts of the product are merging with the background and it's tougher to tell the product from the background. We can try to mark the background again with the red button. We can also further highlight the object by hitting the green Object button here. We can do this back and forth until we're satisfied with the result. As you can see, the result is not the best as the background blends with the object. This makes it harder for the tool to remove the background properly. Rule number 3 is use a clear and uncluttered background. Now let's see what happens when we try to remove the background with too much background clutter. Let's mark the background or the object using the red or green buttons. We can do this until the result is as accurate as we want it to be. When we use an image with a cluttered background like in this example, parts of the product tend to merge with the background, and this may lead to a bad result. We'll click Preview. The result is okay, but not the best for the amount of effort we put in. You can see very clearly what image worked the best. Now you can use Malabi for every and any product that you want. So for best results, make sure you use a light-filled image, make sure the object is in contrast to the background, and use a clear and uncluttered background. Thank you from Malabi.